Hey everybody, welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. Thank you for watching our little do-it-yourself spray to get your older seeds to germinate for you. As you can see, these were packed in 2017, so super old seeds by today's standards. Most of us are told get rid of them if they're not a certain age. These were 2020. Most of these are 2017. Here's another 2020. I actually purchased these seeds, I guess like 5 years ago. But my goal today was to go ahead and see if I could get any of these to germinate for me. And so that is why I made this little do-it-yourself video for you. Using hydrogen peroxide, molasses. If you don't have molasses, note during the video I tell you can use brown sugar. The darker the better. Brown sugar is actually made with a little bit of molasses, guys. So that's how it gets its brown color and its unique taste. So you can substitute it out, one for the other. The same with the hydrogen peroxide. If you do not have a 3%, you can use a 1 or a 2%. All right, what's gonna happen? The hydrogen peroxide is going to bring oxygen down to that seed. Okay, we all know that life needs oxygen. The molasses is going to bring energy, fuel, food down to that tiny seed. What the organics, the worm tea or the compost tea is going to do, guys, is bring other life forms, other healthy bacteria into the potting soil. Now here at Starkey Farmstead, we make our own potting soil. You can find that video under What is Starkey Farmstead, seeding up for the fall and making your own potting soil. Ours is very simple. There's a little bit of sand, a little bit of compost, a little bit of worm castings. Now, my dad had made some of this. I think he's got perlite in it or something like that. But anyway, the potting soil you can make yourself. In fact, is actually a lot better for your plants to seed and what you can create yourself, guys. Work smarter, not harder. Upcycle, recycle, repurpose everything. If you notice, we use these little cups. We even do it with the plastic ones. We do have holes in the bottom for drainage, and we have used these now. I think this is the third planting, the third seeding in these cups. Because here at Starkey Farmstead, it's about teaching you how to garden with less expense. It's time, guys, that we become producers and not consumers. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share our videos, comment on our videos, and help us get word out to the world. Have a blessed and productive day, guys.